Today, I will tell you about certain vegetables that diabetic patients should avoid. Some vegetables unknowingly become a part of our diet, which can cause difficulty in controlling blood sugar levels. First, I will explain which vegetables should be avoided and if someone loves them, how they can be consumed in small quantities. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Potatoes. Potato is a starchy vegetable, meaning it has a high amount of carbohydrates. Foods rich in carbohydrates are generally not suitable for diabetic patients. The way a potato is cooked also matters. Boiled potatoes have a glycemic index of around 56, which is moderate. French fries or potato chips have a glycemic index of 88, which is considered very high for diabetics. Baked potatoes have a glycemic index of around 73, which falls in the medium to high range. No matter how you prepare potatoes, their glycemic index remains high, making them unsafe for diabetic patients. However, if you must eat potatoes, you should eat them in boiled form, as their glycemic index is lower. Combine them with fiber and protein-rich foods to slow down sugar absorption. Reduce the quantity to avoid a spike in blood sugar levels. Green peas are a favorite winter vegetable often added to dishes like chicken curries and rice. However, diabetic patients must be cautious. Half a cup of peas contains 20 grams of carbohydrates, less than 3 grams of fiber, and 7 to 8 grams of protein. If consumed in large amounts, carbohydrate intake can reach 40 grams or more, making it risky. To safely consume peas, here's what you can do. Eat them in moderation. Add protein-rich foods to balance sugar absorption. Maintain a 50% protein, 20% peas, and 30% salad ratio in your meal. Corn has a high glycemic index and is generally not recommended for diabetic patients. It is available in multiple forms, including canned corn, which is sold in stores, and corn syrup, which is extremely harmful. Eating corn causes a rapid rise in blood sugar levels, so it is best to avoid it completely. Fried vegetables. Many people fry vegetables before eating them. However, frying destroys essential minerals and vitamins while adding trans fats from cooking oil. Trans fats increase insulin resistance, a major cause of type 2 diabetes. They raise blood sugar levels despite medication and insulin use. They also damage the liver, leading to serious health problems. Diabetic patients must avoid deep-fried vegetables and opt for steamed, grilled, or raw vegetables instead. Vegetable oils, also known as seed oils. Vegetable oils such as canola oil, sunflower oil, soybean oil, and corn oil are extremely harmful and act as a silent killer inside the body. These oils cause fatty liver disease and increase insulin resistance. They raise cholesterol levels, leading to heart disease and promote weight gain and related health issues. Healthier alternatives to vegetable oils include coconut oil, which is good for cooking. Olive oil, although not suitable for deep frying, and mustard oil, cold-pressed, is the best option for cooking, as it is cholesterol-free and does not clog arteries. All the issues, diabetes, high blood pressure, cholesterol, heart problems, and fatty liver, are interlinked. Avoiding these harmful vegetables and oils can help control blood sugar levels and prevent serious complications.